Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video let's learn about setting up the Hero GoPro 8. So guys, you might know that nowadays everybody is using a GoPro. It's easy to capture videos as well as it is very lightweight. So let's see how to set up the GoPro in order to capture good shots, and what are the things that we require to have a good setup for a Hero GoPro 8. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Alright guys, let's go ahead and set up the Hero GoPro 8. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for more notifications because it really helps me. So here guys, I got the Hero GoPro 8 which I already unboxed, and also a couple of accessories here. I'll just show you from the top angle so that you can have a clear view. Alright guys, so this is my complete setup that I use. These are the different accessories that I use basically to connect my Hero GoPro 8. So guys, this is my Hero GoPro 8 and I have unboxed this already. Unfortunately, I couldn't take a video of this one, but however, I'll just show you how to set it up completely, so it should really help. And guys, this is the second accessory that I use, which is one of the most important part of the Hero GoPro, which is called the mic adapter, because the quality of the internal mic that comes inside a GoPro would not be that great. I would say that's the reason you need to use this one in case if you want to connect an external microphone, because I have an external microphone here. I'll also show you how to connect this one. So this would be the second accessory that I use. I'll show you all the accessories, then I'll show you how we connect them. So this is just a case that is used for my GoPro, which holds the GoPro as well as this adapter together. Alright, this is nothing but a GoPro mount. I'll show you this one shortly, and this is the one that I really liked. This is a tripod that I have picked up. I really liked it because it's quite heavy and it's quite firm. So let me just show you. Right, this is the tripod that I have used, and the best part about this, which I really liked, is this part where you can just tilt this. So what does this do is, for example, if this is how much it goes, if the arms are just this big, so you can just twist it a little bit and the arms go much larger, so that you can make this stand on the table or on a surface. All right, let's now try to connect this inside the case. First I'll put this inside the case and then I'll connect the rest. Okay, so this is the case that I use for the GoPro. This is the GoPro and this is the case that I use. Right, this case also comes with the cover. This is the lens cover, which is used to close the lens of the GoPro in case if you are not using the device. This goes like this. Okay, I'll not use it for now. This is for the filters if you want to keep any, but I don't think I will use this one. Alright, so let me show you how to insert the GoPro inside this lens. First you need to open this. As you can see, there is an indication here which shows the right arrow. Alright, so you just need to push it and just need to lift it up. Okay, alright, so this is how it is. Alright guys, so my GoPro is completely set up into the case now. So this is how it looks. Alright, so let's mount it on to my tripod now. I just need these mounting accessories. So let me just open this one. Alright, as you can see, this is the mounting accessory that I basically use for my GoPro, and the reason why I choose this one is because it's completely magnetic. Right, this is one, this is another piece. Alright, so I just need to twist it. Let me just show you. Alright, this is how I open it. Alright, I just need to twist it, and it's open. Alright, so let's just set it up firstly on my tripod. Okay. There is a screw on the top, you just need to twist it. Alright, that's done. Just need to set it up properly. Alright, now the mount is almost done. I just kept it on this and it's fixed. I'll just gently twist it and it will be fixed. Alright, the mount is now fixed. Let me just open this up. Alright guys, so that my tripod is now fine, it's fixed. Let me go ahead and mount my GoPro onto it. So just need to insert this, as I told you, just need to put it inside and just fit the screw. That's how simple it is. It's really simple guys. Alright guys, so the setup is complete now, almost. My GoPro is onto the tripod with also the mic adapter. So we just need to connect the mic and it will be done. So last but not the least, this is the mic that I took. This is Boya MM1. Alright, this costed me something around 1800 I guess. I don't remember exactly the price, but yeah, nearby 1800. So let's go ahead and mount this mic to my GoPro. Let's see how it looks. Alright guys, so this is the box of the Boya mic. Let me see what all we get inside this. One is a beautiful cable, that's the aux cable that connects from the GoPro to the mic. Alright, this is the holder for the mic. Okay, and this is another cable just in case, I guess. I'm not sure, but okay, this is for the mobile phone guys. I'm sorry, because I just use it for the GoPro, so that's why I was not aware about it. There's nothing but some silica just in case if this gets wet, that absorbs the moisture. That's it. This is a beautiful case that comes with Boya. I don't think I'll use this one. Alright, the main part, this is the mic, right? This looks lovely and I should just see its performance, and I'm eagerly waiting for that. Alright, so let's go ahead and set it up on the GoPro. So first let me just connect the mount. You just need to twist it out like this. Okay, and this becomes spacious. You just need to insert it, just tighten it. I'm so sorry, just tighten it up. Alright, just need to tighten it up this way. Alright, okay. Alright, the mount is done. The mount for the mic is done. Now let's connect the cable. One goes into the mic. Alright, perfect. The other goes into the GoPro on the adapter over here. Okay. Now this mic should be mounted over here. Alright guys, so the setup is now complete for my GoPro and the mic. So this would be it. Let's take some good shots from this one and let's see how it goes.